Big things are rolling out at Lewisville ISD. Beginning with the 2025-26 school year, LISD is bringing transportation services in-house, delivering more safety, consistency, and care to the ride your child takes each day. With more than 200 professional bus drivers already hired and more joining our team, we're committed to making sure every student's ride is safe, reliable, and welcoming. These are not the school buses you might remember from years past. Today, all LISD buses are designed with student safety and comfort in mind. Each bus is equipped with air conditioning, seat belts, and advanced security features to ensure a safe and comfortable ride to and from school. Our fleet includes GPS tracking systems and live feed video cameras, giving us real-time visibility that provides an extra layer of security for families and staff. Safety is our top priority. That is why our drivers go through extensive training and follow rigorous safety protocols. Every bus is scanned daily for maintenance needs to ensure it is ready for the road. And new this year, we have added Zonar tags on each bus. These digital tags guide drivers through a detailed pre-trip inspection process. Before hitting the road, drivers must scan the Zonar tag at each designated checkpoint to confirm that every part of the bus has been inspected. From lights and brakes to emergency exits and tires, this ensures that each bus is safe, secure, and ready to roll. Safety is built into every stop along the ride. In addition to the usual flashing red lights that alert motorists when the bus is stopping to load or unload children, our buses are equipped with crossing arms. These make sure students only cross in front of the bus when it's safe and the driver has waved them on. We also implement thorough child check procedures at the end of every route. Once the bus is unloaded, the driver walks the full length of the bus, checking every seat and aisle, and presses the child check reset button to indicate no child is left behind. At LISD, we know that safety takes teamwork. Students will also learn how to ride safely and responsibly. LISD buses are an extension of the classroom where positive and safe behavior is expected and safety comes first. We've also upgraded the tools you use to track your student's bus. Beginning August 1st, 2025, the bus locator will be available through Skyward. You'll also be able to use the Here Comes the Bus app, which now updates faster than ever to follow your child's route in real time. Getting started with the app is easy. Just visit lisd.net/transportation for quick setup instructions.
We are excited to provide transportation services to your students, and we look forward to being part of their daily journey. This is just the beginning. More updates will come later this fall, and we'll keep you updated every step of the way. We can't wait to welcome your family on board.